Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to show you how to get thousands of dollars in sales with Warrior Plus products. And I'm live here in my account. I'm just going to go into my all-time and show you a complete Warrior Plus history since I started my journey. And still live in my account here. And what you'll see when it loads up, three columns that we're concerned with. It's just taking a while to load up because we're using some screen capture software to film this video. So I'll get my little pencil out and move that over here. The three columns we're concerned with, so to make thousands of products in sales, you'll see in this column here, sales total now is $37,567.93. And the commissions that I've earned from that are in this column here. I've earned $19,173.79. Now, one of the key things here, one of the most important things to note is this number here, this commission. The majority of that is profit. Let's put P for profit here. So I predominantly promote with free traffic, and I can teach you how to do the same. So when you promote with free traffic, these offers, you can get into profit and stay in profit. And if you look over here on the left-hand column, you'll see that I've sold 3,982 products. Now, a bit later on in the video, I'm going to show you how you can promote one link, but you can earn, let's put a plus sign here, you can earn multiple commissions promoting one link. Come to that a bit later on in the video. And we'll delete that here because we're going to come back to this a bit later on and show you some more important information. So more importantly in this video, I got started on this journey for $4.90, and that's what the product cost that I initially bought. It's called the Click Engine, and there'll be some joining links in the description if you want more information on that product or other products that are part of the portfolio that I promote to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. One of the reasons that this works really well is these products are in the traffic niche, and everyone needs traffic. The first thing they do when they come online is they get an offer to promote, business opportunity or software or traffic product even. And then the thing they look for secondly is traffic. And these products are autopilot bias traffic products, so they will always be in demand. They're in the evergreen niche of traffic. And what I recommend is that you not only buy these offers to promote your offer, but become an affiliate and get your bias traffic for free. You only need a couple of referrals, then you've got your own traffic for free. Now, another important feature, really one of the superb features that I love about Warrior Plus products, is that the owners put several products into their systems, and you can earn higher ticket affiliate commissions up to $850 depending on what you're promoting, but there's no need to buy that higher ticket product. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you some real proof that it's achievable. It happens a bit later on in the video. So by doing this, it can help you get into profit faster and stay in profit, and also stay in profit every single month. That's the key with affiliate marketing. If you start to promote these traffic offers, you can get what's called a funded traffic proposal. And what that means in the industry, it means that all your traffic's paid for, but you're also earning profits from that traffic as well. I'm going to share with you the systems that we use so you can earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus products and stay in profit every single month. I'm also going to show you the free tools and done-for-you systems that we personally use, and by using these you can earn an additional profitable passive income stream. I'll show you some real commission proof as well that these systems do work. Totally free, nothing to pay for. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims. I'm not making any product claims. I'm not going to give you any guarantees in this video. This video is for educational purposes only. So let's take a look at a couple of reasons why this works as an affiliate. Actually, that's the wrong page. So let's go back to this page here now. I'd like to draw your attention down the right hand side here to these circular arrows here that say recurring payment. Now what this means is that this member, this referral, has been a member for 31 months in a row. Now what that means to you is that means that you're going to be promoting membership subscription products. So once you get your 2 referrals, after that, any referrals on top of that, you're going to get not only your traffic for free, but you're going to get in profit every single month. Now you'll see there's a high retention here on some of these members. This one here, 38 months in a row. These are for autopilot buyers, traffic products, traffic blaster, and easy clicks. Now we've got new members coming in here where there's no circular arrows. And then here we've got some more. So this is 5 months in a row. You're going to get some new ones coming in. That's 5 months in a row. 28 months in a row. So they've joined the click generator here at 5 months. And this is 28 months. So they've been paying for nearly 2.5 years. So all of these circular arrows that you see here are all monthly membership subscriptions coming in, nearly 3 years here, every single month. So I highly recommend as an affiliate marketer that you promote products that have a membership subscription. And that's how you can make thousands of dollars in sales, and how you can really boost this number here of nearly 4,000 products. Now, another reason it works so well is with the affiliate program. So what happens is, this is an example of Exit Traffic Network. It's a superb, genius product, and you'll see a link in the description if you want some more information. Now, what you'll see here in the top left-hand corner, get my pencil out here, top left-hand corner is my affiliate link. Now, you're just going to promote one link, that link there, when you're going to get your link. You're just going to promote one link. Now, what happens is, I've put here, you can earn higher ticket of commissions when your referrals upgrade. Important. You don't have to upgrade yourself to earn the higher ticket commissions that are in this column over here on the right. So in the left-hand column are the products that the product owner has put in here. Now, each of these, okay, we're being logged out here. Each of these here is a product that your referral will get exposed to when they go through the system. Now, if they choose to upgrade and buy any of these products, then you'll earn the high ticket commissions, even if you don't upgrade yourself. So as an example, if you look in the price column here, you can pay $17. That's a one-time payment. There's no monthly membership subscriptions. And if any of your referrals upgrade, now just make a mental note here of some of these products in the left-hand column and some of these commissions here in the right. So I'm going to show you in my Gmail account, Exit Traffic Network. And this is live in my Gmail account. Now, if you look in the right hand side, you'll see the dates. So this is an example of the potential of what can be achievable when referrals start to upgrade. So all of these commissions came in from Exit Traffic Network on February the 12th. Now, this is what can happen. Now, if you see here, some of these upgrades, so I paid $17 one-time payment. I do sometimes upgrade myself if I think there's something of value that's going to help me scale up faster. But you'll see from a one-time $17 payment on this commission here, I earned, it says Barry, you earned $60, Barry, you earned $94, and then there's some here, one here at $32, and some here that are around the $20 mark. But all of those came in one day on February the 12th. So I turned $17 into a $250 day. And that's how you can get into profit and stay in profit with Warrior Plus traffic offers. They really do work, they're in demand, and the upgrades are of a great quality that the product owners are putting in there. So I just want to show you some real proof there that it's potentially achievable and it can actually happen. So let's have a look now. This is the part of the video where I want to show you systems and free tools that we give you. So what we've done, we've set up systems for the majority of these products. Now, this is an example of our complete click engine system. Now, this is totally free for you. Not going to cost you a penny because it's set up on the Leads Leap platform. You'll click here to join Leads Leap and you're going to get a free lifetime membership. Now, Leads Leap, if you're not familiar with it, is absolutely superb. You're not only going to get traffic, you're going to get all these tools for free to be able to create the systems we're going to share with you. But if you're promoting other products, you can use the tools and traffic to become successful with those as well, not just Warrior Plus. So let's go back to the system here. Now, we do all the selling and telling for you in these videos. We're showing you here on the click engine how we've turned a $5 product into nearly $4,000 in commissions. So when you set this system up, all you do is really simple. It's got what's called share codes in Leads Leap, and these are what's called share codes here. And all you're going to do is copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap. It's just click, copy and paste. I've got video tutorials down here that teach you how to do it. So if you are quite new to affiliate marketing, you just follow the instructions here step by step on the videos. Just take a step, pause the video, complete the step, start the video again, and just continue on. And then once you've got this system set up, and it's really, really simple to promote, you promote one link. Now your affiliate links are going to go into here. So you'll earn the click engine commissions when your prospects join. But you'll also earn Leads Leap commissions. So this is where you can earn an additional income stream on top of your Warrior Plus income. So let me show you an example of how that works. So if I go into my Leads Leap members area here, and you look at my total affiliate commissions for Leads Leap, you'll see I've earned $3,942. That's in affiliate commissions with Leads Leap. Now that's by using systems like this, setting up systems and just promoting one link. But I want to show you that even with the free plan, I'm just going to compare the plans here. This is the free lifetime membership here in the left-hand column. And even with the free plan, which is how I started, you can earn affiliate commissions of 25% recurring every single month when your direct referrals upgrade to Pro. So you promote the free, and then if anybody upgrades, you will earn 25%, and that's every single month. Now that's going to be profit for you because you're a free for life member. So every 25% monthly recurring commission that you earn is going to be profit. Now what I recommend you do is take a percentage of those profits and then upgrade to Pro, because you're going to get a lot more features with the Pro version, but you're also going to double your commissions to 50% every single month and get into further profit. So that's how I've earned those $3,942, is by promoting Leads Leap within systems, giving away free lifetime memberships, and free members upgrading to Pro. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. And that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads here on my channel. I'm currently doing several new uploads every week here on the channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer those for you. And excuse me, I always put my email address in the description under my videos. So if you do want to send me an email, then I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.